Hi students, welcome back to the Schitzer's Maths class. This is chapter 1, lecture number 7, grade 9, and today we are going to start with example number 4 in which I have taken the number which is find root 38 on the number line. Now previously we have seen how to find root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the number line. Now at that time I have shared few steps. Now this is the time we will follow those steps and find some numbers which are greater than them. So the nearest perfect square to 38 is 36. If you have remembered, we have to find the nearest least perfect square number to the number which is present inside the root. So as we have found 36. Now 36 plus 1 is equal to 38. You might be thinking why sir is explaining plus 1, because you remember that number of spirals would be defined by this plus 1 and plus 1, because we will be taking the perpendicular line segments to the baselines which would be of 1 centimeter only. So this plus 1 and plus 1, that means two number of spirals would be there when you will find 38 after 36 square root as the baseline. So 36 square root, which is 6 centimeter, would be forming the baseline. So again, first of all we have taken the nearest perfect square which is least to the number which is provided inside the root, which is 36. Then 36 square root we have found, that is 6 centimeter, which is forming the baseline from which we are going to start. This plus 1 decides that number of spirals would be required. So over here, as we can see, the 1 plus 1, 2 number of spirals would be required. What it is exactly, let us see some of the calculations. So at the first step, we cannot get 38's root directly. We need to first of all find root of 37 first step. So what is root of 37? That is 36 plus 1. How 36 can be written? 36 need to be written as 6 square. So 6 square plus 1 square. Now again we are writing this in the form of Pythagoras theorem. So this is 6 square plus 1 square, that is 36, and 1, and which is going to be 37. So this is going to be the calculation for the first spiral. Now 37 is going to be the baseline of the next spiral, for which 1 would be the next perpendicular to it. So how 38's root can be found out? Can be found out using 37's root square. As you know, square and root when comes together, they cancel each other's effect. So it will remain as 37 plus 1 square is 1. Again I have written this in the form of Pythagoras theorem so that we can find the hypotenuse using it, which is root of 38, which is required to find out. Now how to find out in the construction, which is very simple. First of all, as you know, you have to draw the number line, which is specifically 1 centimeter distance from each other. 0 should be named as origin. As we have decided, 6 is the baseline, so at 6 centimeter we will name it as A. Then I need to take perpendicular line segment AB using the protector. Then, because that is not the final step, we are not drawing arc at OB, but I am just increasing one more perpendicular where I have found that perpendicular using protector again, where AB is of 1 centimeter, same like BC is also of 1 centimeter. Then over here, as you can see, OB would be of the length root 37, whereas OC would be of the length root 38. This is 1 and that is also 1. So as we can see over here, OC is root 38, which we have found, which we were aiming to find, but it is not on the number line. So to get it on the number line, what we need to do is, as we are doing since last 3 examples, so we'll be doing the same way, and that is you just have to take your rounder, or you can say it as compass also, which has two hands. One hand you need to keep it, which is the sharpen point. The sharpen point need to be kept on O. The pencil hand need to be kept on C. So, and then you need to just put an arc. When the arc will intersect the baseline, that would be the point at which we will get the answer of root 38. And you can claim that OB is root 37, OC is equal to OM is equal to root 38 on the number line. So this was it for the lecture number 7. Stay tuned for the further updates. Bye bye.